Alright, I want to show you guys this awesome new light that I just got from CVLIFE. This is the 1500 Lumen rechargeable CV Tactical Light. It goes on the end of a firearm. This is my favorite light. I actually have 4 different brands from 4 different companies. It comes with a cable with a magnetic end. That goes right there so you can recharge it. It doesn't take very long to charge. It will run for an hour and a half to 2 hours on a single charge. This thing is beautiful. It's aluminum. It's waterproof, IPX5, I believe. It is 1500 lumen, as I said. It also has a strobe feature. It has side paddles, which is nice. Normally the lights you have to turn on and off with a toggle in the back. This just has a push button. It's ambidextrous. It's heavy at about 8 ounces, but it's not so heavy that you notice it being on there. It's real good quality, fit and finish. Everything fits fine. Where it clips onto your firearm here, it has a locking lever. You see this part will close right in. So it closes right in on the rail. And honestly, because this thing's rechargeable, I have actually been using this as my everyday flashlight. Normally my other flashlight hangs right here at my desk, and I don't like it because I have to, there's 5 different settings on it, so it's a pain in the butt to go through. And I've been just grabbing this thing because I can turn it on and off, and it holds up for a long time. Because it's rechargeable, I never have to worry about it. So you really want to get your hands on this thing. It's a great price from a great company. I've been in touch with customer service just so I knew what was going on, and I am recommending this on my YouTube channel to my YouTube viewers. So thanks so much, CVLIFE. This is a great light.